Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This video is going to be going through my kits. I am having a bit of a crisis of storage right now. This is a very off-the-cuff, random video, but I think I need to address this issue. Because these are my two hoarding bind albums of kits. I already have... This is my normal one where it's all dated and everything has a place in my normal planner. But this is all my extra stuff and my doubles and my hoards and out of date things, and obviously it's not working, and I do want to be able to access these and not like ruin them, because I will be using a secondary planner very soon, so I need to figure these ones out. I'm not too sure yet. I might be bringing in another sticker album and having the three of them. That might be an option. So let's just get all these kits out of here and declutter first. Please don't ask me where I'm decluttering. They're going to go to my friends, and I'm not really into selling. But let's just go through this. It's just fun to see what's in my collection if you've never seen it before. And I'm just going to take all of these out in super fast, and then we'll go through them. Most of these are in plastic still, but some of them are not. So that worries me. Alright, let's get this done. Okay, so this is what's in cello, this is what's not. Please don't judge me. Okay, I have a problem. I decided to break out one of the Park Hopper albums from SPC, and I thought this could be like what I want to use in my secondary planner, and then we can go back to just hoarding and deep hoard. I think so, but first we need to thin the herd. So let's go through here first. Maybe we'll actually open this. So you can get that set up. Alright. Okay, so, alright. Oh, been filming so long, my back. Everyone have a stretch. Have a stretch. It's good for you, and have a drink. Hydrate. Okay. Let's go through this stuff. I'm going to make 3 piles. Pre-planner, hoard, deep hoard. Like, probably not going to use. We have this Wicked set, which is such a cute Halloween kit. I'm going to put it into pre-planning because I do want to use it up. Museum, I think again, I do want to use that up. So where I'm going to break out some of my weirdest stuff is in my pre-planner. I've got this old summer kit by Melissa. I'm going to put that in my pre-planner. So these are two B6 kits that were just really pretty from Sadie Stickers. Maybe we could try those out in my pre-planner. I might keep them in hoard, as well as this Hustle kit from Sadie Stickers in hoard. They won't fit in the... If I put my pre-planning kits in here, they're not going to fit. These aren't going to fit, so I'll put them in hoard and then consider them. I think all of these old Crest Press I will just use because I want to use them. So I'll put them in my pre-planner. Oh, this is ancient. This is like one of my first art sets. And this is Heather Ann Plans, which no longer exists. This is old. Yeah. And I got some other Japan stuff, and the art is so old now. Sorry if you can hear Heidi eating, but she's eating. So I think I'm actually going to declutter this set. This was a Beauty Queen, which was a mystery kit from Cyber Monday Mystery from Crest Press. I think I'm going to put this in my pre-planner. Just want to get those kits used because they are pretty. Simply Watercolor Co. I keep these because they are really pretty, but they're not 100% my style. So I might actually put them into depot. And then this is this was September Mystery like 2018. This is super old, and it got oh, look at this. It got redone and everything. It came with the bows. But I think I'm over this art. I just wasn't 100% in love with it, so I think I'm doing declutter. Okay, that's everything that's not in a cellar, which is awesome. So you have Park Hopper here. So the thing with the hoard is they may get to go in my main planner, whereas these are definitely going in my pre-planner. You see the difference? So that is going to go in the hoard. We got birthday stuff. The birthday kits are going to go in hoard. And if I need a birthday kit for my pre-plan, oh wait, I need to decide what to use for Locke's birthday in my, I'm gonna put this here because I need to pre-plan my Locke's birthday, my partner, so I want to choose one for the pre-planning. So we got this. I used the other set before. Maybe we can pre-plan with that this year. We have, rather than have it in my main planner again, we have the Besties Friendiversary. I want to put it here because it could go. October Mystery. I guess most other people were not that into this art. It's okay. I think it's going to go into deep hoard, and like if I'm desperate, I can pull it out. We got September Mystery. That might still be able to use in my main planner perhaps next year. We have, that was September. December Mystery. I might do a spring clean sometime, so or probably not gonna have it in spring. It could be after going to autumn even. I don't know. I might just keep that there because you never know. I might use it. We have Boho Babe, and I do love the colors in this set, which is why I picked it, so I'm going to put that into pre-planning. And Blush Struck into pre-planning. I'm not 100% sure the new Caress Press kits will fit into the Park Hub album, but we'll see. Again, I want to use my Caress Press up if I don't want to already put it in. Oh, okay. I already got Rainy Days, which is a similar, I think I might put that in there because I have some summer stuff. I didn't mind this set. The colors are pretty. It might go into the main. This is going to go to the main hoard because I think I'm going to put in deep hoard because that wedding didn't end up happening properly. I think this might go into deep hoard. It's okay, but Seven Monday Mystery for 2020. I do love it. I don't know when I will use it, so I might put it in normal hoard. Okay, here's another birthday set. Another birthday kit. We'll decide those at the end. With the Toko kit, I definitely want to put this in normal because I love that one. And you never know, if I might be able to go to Tokyo one day again. This is a really pretty, it's like a Paris set. And I don't know, I might get it. This is like a traveling Europe one, which I definitely want to do once all this stuff is over. Of course, I got the secondary Control Alt Delete because I had to buy two. Might put into deep hoard because it is a secondary and we can like relook at that next year. Tacos, that could go into pre-plan. Graduation. I really don't think I'm going to get to graduation anymore. It's in September in Australia and I'm in Finland. I've been holding on to this. I could use it even though I'm not going to graduation. Like I could use it for the week that I was going to graduate. So I'll put it into hoard. This is some random stuffs, but another one of these. They're gonna Dead Inside's gonna go deep hoard with. Okay, yes, I have two spooky magics. I wanted deep hoard because I might one day go to Disney during Halloween. Maybe I'll just have a Halloween kit in my pre-planning this year for fun. Got planner piece, the 6 year. Just don't know when I'm going to use it. Ice cream kit. That might go into deep hoard. I don't 100% love it, so I might declare that one. Sorry. This one's ancient. It is Magic 1.0. It's just magic. Just art by JQ Plants. I've just been holding onto it because it's JQ Plants art. But my kits are unruly. And then we got this planner conference one, which I don't think I'll ever go to another planner conference, to be honest. So I might just declutter both of those. RIP. Sorry. I've been holding on to May Mystery 2019. No, a lot of people are after this one with the original coloring. Okay, I'm going to use it in my pre-planner this year. We're locking it in. We got this Anna one, pre-planner. We've got this one, which could also be a birthday. We have this fairy tale one. It is pretty. Oh, I could go possible. Some of these summer ones, they could possibly go into my pre-planner. So I want to have a selection there, possible. So, okay, we have to choose out of these birthday sets what to do in my pre-planner. Once again, I'm probably going to go with the newest one because it's the nicest. And I think all of these are going to go into deep hoard. Alright, we actually got tons of stuff in my pre-planner, so I won't have to buy too many kits. Where's my cat? Okay, so my 2 hoards are filled, and now they're not like monstrous and bending everything. So I'm going to put those up in my cart. Okay, so now we actually have to organize this stuff. And so we can actually like use this functionally. So I'm going to put the birthday kit in front because I know I'm definitely using that on a specific week. But let's have a look. We have like summer, this could be a spring kit, spring, Christmas, summer, Halloween, spring because of May, the summer, spring, summer. I'll put that with the Halloween stuff. No, we'll put autumn by itself. This is anytime, so I might put that near the back. Then we've got another autumn, another anytime, but I feel like it's pretty dark, so we'll put an autumn. We've got another summer. I feel like this is an autumn set to me. Autumn's pretty much set in this pre-planner. Alright, that's Halloween. So then what I'm going to do is at the next I might actually put the anytime at the front. Let's hope it fits, because I don't know. I found the newer sets didn't fit, but the old sets do. Okay. I don't know if she changed the size, but we'll see. So putting that in there. Do the anytimes, and now we'll go into the spring. Well, this is also anytime, so I'll put that at the front. This is okay. This is a newer one. It's very tight. It might be just a cello, but Heidi, not right now. I'm filming. I'll put the Mexican set. Then I'm just going to quickly do this and be right back because Heidi is making noise. So that is everything put away. There was a bit of a struggle bus, honestly. The Crest Press did finally fit, including the new kits. They just couldn't be in the cellars. So just take them out of the cellars and they will fit in the SPC sticker album. But yeah, it looks so pretty, especially the hollow. Like, so cute. That is everything. I hope you enjoyed my just random kit organization. I wasn't planning to do this video, but I was putting stuff away after a haul and just wasn't working. You saw those albums at the start, so it's so nice. I just needed to bring in another album, and now my pre-planning stuff is all separate, so I can pull from here when I do those pre-planning spreads. But yeah, it's just nice to have it organized, and Heidi is driving me nuts, so I think I'm gonna go. But I hope you enjoyed watching anyway. Thanks for sticking around. Let me know what you did, what you're organizing with me, or just chilling. I hope you, let's have another stretch. I hope you have a wonderful week. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!